Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the fake Chrome update alerts that come from the site Storerecentoverlytheproduct.vip. Storerecentoverlytheproduct.vip. Frankly speaking, it's a long name for the website, and this website is extremely malicious. It tries to force you into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. Depending on the regional settings, such extensions may function as adware or they may function as browser hijackers. If these extensions that are promoted through these pop-ups work as adware, you'll start receiving a lot of advertisements that will be popping up in the right part of your computer screen, or periodically opening new browser tabs. And if such extensions work as hijackers, your default search engine and other settings may be changed. So this is all happening because of these fake Chrome update alerts coming from the site Storerecentoverlytheproduct.vip. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, this is what you should do. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.